Upgrading the siding on a steel building is a quick and easy way to improve the curb appeal of the building and, in some cases, increase its insulation value. Our 26-gauge corrugated metal siding is the most popular option. It's easy to install and comes in a variety of colors. It's also the strongest in the industry and has survived powerful storms like Hurricane Katrina and Hurricane Maria. You can add depth and texture of natural stone and brick materials by installing gemstone on a steel building. Gemstone panels are cast from real stone or tumbled bricks, and these panels can be applied to the building by either removing a portion of the corrugated siding or by first installing plywood over the sheeting to establish a completely flat surface. Every gemstone panel is hand-painted with 12 coats of premium exterior paint and can be easily installed by anyone with basic carpentry skills. If stucco is a more desirable look than metal, brick, or stone, you have two options. First, Stucco Flex is a product made to be sprayed directly on the corrugated metal panels. Or second, insulated panels can be made to order with the stucco already applied. Insulated panels install just like ordinary building sheeting and can also be colored at the factory in any of the colors the corrugated siding is available in. A metal building is capable of supporting any other typical siding materials such as masonry work, stucco, and even wood panels. If you plan to use siding not specifically designed for steel buildings, it's important to make this known up front so the building can be designed to accommodate your plans. As we've demonstrated throughout this Steel Buildings 101 series, there are many direct and indirect factors, as well as hundreds of available building options that can influence the final cost of a steel building. To keep your project on track and avoid any potential pitfalls, we always recommend requesting an accurate quote from a reputable company, and most importantly, take the time to discuss the quote with a building expert from General Steel.